Hydrogen-oxygen rockets are the most efficient on the market, but how efficient are they? When a rocket takes off, it creates thrust with fuel. Now some of that fuel goes to creating heat instead of thrust, so there's waste. And some of the thrust that is created doesn't just go to propel the rocket, it also goes to propelling the remaining fuel. So as you can see, there are inefficiencies. Now to calculate how efficient a rocket is, we need to know how much energy there is in the fuel and how much energy we have left over after the rocket has been propelled. And you can go through these equations if you wish. We find that to propel a rocket into orbit, it's about 47% efficient under ideal circumstances. And it's about 27% efficient to propel it to Mars. Now that doesn't seem that bad considering that most power plants are only about 40 to 50% efficient. But due to practical reasons, we can't get to this ideal efficiency. You see, there's lots of heavy rocket equipment that needs to be used to allow the rocket to function. And much of the weight that's being propelled as part of the rocket is simply the fuel tanks, not the actual payload. But despite all that, rockets are still pretty efficient, but a launch is still very expensive because they cannot yet be reused many times.